I think patients see our passion for what we do. They see our passion for wanting to deliver excellence and really our passion for education. And that starts with understanding what their particular situation is and just putting all the chips on the table so that they can decide what's best for them, given their unique set of circumstances and their outcome goals and their preferences.
I had a great deal of confidence when I began to experience the practice and how Dr. Mandelaris and his entire staff treated patients. It was walking in the door with a lot of anxiety and walking out the door with an understanding that I was at an excellent facility and practice and an experienced practitioner.
It's a really great office to work with. I mean, Dr. Mandelaris is very thorough. He takes the time of day with you and really cares about his patients and his work and pursuing excellence.
Roughly around 8 years ago, I was fortunate enough to recruit Dr. DeGroot from the University of Texas at San Antonio, pretty much the premier periodontal residency program in the country. Brad took a leap of faith to join the practice as I did, and it was really one of the best and brightest that there is.
What struck me about George in this practice was that there were no corners cut. It was comprehensive care. It was high level. And so to me, it was one of the easiest decisions I ever made to join Dr. Mandelaris and become a part of this practice. And when we started building the new office location and looking for partners, it actually kind of went the same way. When we were fortunate enough to meet with Dr. Botto, she had that same set of core values.
I wanted to provide comprehensive treatment care. And in many practices all over the country, you're really just looking, you have tunnel vision, you're looking at one problem, that's it, get in, solve it, get out. When I met Brad and George, they were providing comprehensive care to every patient.
With having 3 different doctors, we're able to collaborate, sit down, and look over cases together. So if there's ever anything that may be difficult for me or that may require a prosthetic input, I may be able to bring that to Dr. Botto. And George has decades of experience to share, and so I think when we get together and collaborate on cases, it's a huge benefit for patients.
I believe leadership starts at the top, and with Dr. Mandelaris, his skill and knowledge are unparalleled, and that flows through to all of the staff. I mean, everyone that was involved, and there were several staff members involved in my procedures. They're highly invested in your care and your successful outcome, and I would highly recommend Dr. Mandelaris and his practice.
Education is a continuous process, and if you stop learning, you stop growing. So our model is to never stop learning, never stop growing, and to always kind of be on that leading edge to help improve the quality of care that we can deliver to our community and to help contribute to a phenomenal profession which has really been so amazing to be a part of.